What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me for a new video. Today I'm going to talk about two of the Printful integrated e-commerce marketplaces that I was selling on in 2020 that I'm going to have to say RIP to. We're going to have to put our hands together and say a prayer for them because I'm no longer going to be selling on these marketplaces. I'm going to tell you how many sales I made in 2020, and those two marketplaces are Bonanza and Wish. So if you're interested, let's go. Quick reminder, I run a weekly print-on-demand giveaway you can enter for free. This week, we're giving away over $1,000 in prizes to 2 lucky winners that I determine every Sunday in my top 5 niches of the week video. This week, sponsored by Flying Upload, Upload Automation, AutomatePOD, Design Automation, and All-American Graphics, Premade premium graphics for your designs. And in the description, you can find a link to enter the giveaway. You can also find a link to my free 8-day print-on-demand mini course and print-on-demand Facebook group. All right, so as promised, I am using the Printful integration. That's my print-on-demand production partner of choice. I'm probably going to do a new Printful review for 2021 because they've changed some things. They've got some new things coming down the pipeline. It's going to be an exciting year. I've actually been talking with someone from their team, trying to hook up a giveaway for when I do those videos because, I like to hook you guys up when I can. So stay tuned for that too. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. But today I'm going to talk about two of the Printful integrations that I had used in 2020. I should have put an extra slide in my presentation because I used Merch Titan's upload automation to connect to Printful and automate uploads to these stores. So I did Bonanza, which is no longer listed because I don't know if it's that it changed on Bonanza's end or if it's on Printful's end, but I guess that just wasn't working out too well on somebody's side. And I'll talk about my experience with both, but also I'm going to talk about Wish. So Bonanza, I personally have never bought anything from this website, but when I was looking into how to maximize the value of my Merch Titan's upload automation software, which by the way, I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check that out. And I think I have a discount code too. If anybody ends up signing up, I'll put that there too. But with Merch Titans, you can automate to Printful, and then anything that Printful connects to, you can use. So I was doing Bonanza and Wish as like extra automation pushes. So Bonanza's marketplace, it looks kind of similar to Etsy. It's a little bit, I don't know, when I'm using it, it feels busy to me. Like they'll hit you with a bunch of pop-ups on the side and on the top bar and stuff like that. And a little bit distracting. Also, the way that they display these thumbnails of the products they sell, the thumbnails are kind of small, which is weird. I always like to preach to optimize your design for the thumbnails. And the method that I preach, I think, is extra important for a place like Bonanza, where the thumbnails are probably rendered smaller than on any other website, maybe other than like eBay. So anyways, Bonanza, as far as like me shopping on this website, I don't have a lot of experience at all, honestly, but, integrating and starting a seller account probably took me 10 minutes. It really wasn't that hard. Use the same shop name across the board on all my other shops. So I launched a shop here. The one thing that was weird was payment processing. So I was only accepting payments through PayPal. I don't know why, but Bonanza wants the sellers to set up their own payment gateways. And they're trying to push us to use, I think, Stripe to accept credit cards. So the whole thing is just kind of weird that a e-commerce website wants to be taken seriously but can't process payments for us. They put a barrier for us sellers. So I was only accepting PayPal. That probably resulted in less conversions for me. I thought I had more than one sale, but apparently over the course of the year, I actually looked back in time on my email inbox on my side monitor, and it said that I signed up for the integration in December of 2019. So I got a good solid year on Bonanza. And when it was all said and done, I only made one sale over the course of the year. I looked back and I think it was a shirt that was like a quote or some meme related to that popular Netflix show. One of the best things that came out of 2020, if you remember Tiger King with Joe Exotic, it was something related to that. So that was the only conversion I had that came through Bonanza. But as you can see, I collected about 25 bucks on that transaction. The costs with the shirt plus shipping was $11.38, so I got $14.59 of profit. That being said, one sale on the year is not worth our time, even if you're uploading using automation. So we're gonna have to, just say farewell, RIP Bonanza. And also shout out to Shimmy Morris. He actually made this thumbnail, and I messaged him. I was like, yo, I'm gonna steal your graveyard video. He did like a is Redbubble dead video, and I really liked the template, so I told him I'm gonna steal his thumbnail and repurpose it for this video. So shout out to Shimmy. I'll put a link to his channel in the YouTube cards here. All right, next, Wish. So again, I have not done a lot of shopping on Wish. Wish to me is basically like every Shopify dropshipping store put together in a single app. That is what I think of when I think of Wish, because almost everything you buy here is like straight out of China. And you can also just go to eBay, which is my preference. I just go to eBay, sort by price plus shipping, lowest, and then you can get everything that you get on Wish. And I don't know, to me, it's just easier to use eBay on my computer, my desktop, than using my phone and trying to use Wish. So anyways, Wish, I did list a bunch of shirts. Actually, I didn't even mention how many listings I had. Guys, I had a couple thousand listings on both Wish and Bonanza. With Wish, you can use automation and just keep pushing, and it's very easy. It's seamless. With Bonanza, the one thing I didn't mention is you actually have to like bookmark a link to your shop. I mean, this is, if anybody actually sells on Bonanza, it's like your store name /edit. Bookmark that, all right? That way you keep uploading products. Then every now and then you have to go there and click publish. Otherwise, the stuff that you automated the uploads for will not be buyable. So you have to go in every now and then, hit publish on those products. Just weird note there related to Bonanza. Another weird thing about Bonanza. Anyways, with Wish, I thought I sold more than just one thing, but apparently, no, I did. Okay, 2 orders. So I had 2 orders, costs $25.96, profit left over afterwards, $15. And I was only listing t-shirts through the Printful integration. I'm pretty sure on Wish, you could not list the full catalog of products that Printful had to offer. It was limited in scope. It might have just been t-shirts if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I've looked. So Wish, I mean, it's not, you know, I'm not mad about an extra $15 profit, but even with automation, just not worth the hassle. Also, Wish is weird. They email you every single developer update possible. Like they'll update their API for something that you're not using from like version 2.3 to 2.3.1, and they'll email you about it. And I'm just like, stop emailing me. I don't care. So that's what I have to say about Wish. So RIP Wish. I will not be using the Wish Printful integration either in 2021 or beyond, barring something changing. Also, Wish is publicly traded, which is a little bit interesting. They have a $15 billion market cap, which is absolutely crazy because it's literally, like I said, it's, unless something changed, it's just like every possible item that you can buy on Alibaba or AliExpress or buy from somebody's Shopify dropshipping store in an app. So I don't understand how it's, you know, so I don't even know if I should say popular or what. We all know stock valuations are inflated right now. Maybe that's all it is. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate your time. Quick reminder, I have a full print-on-demand course that you can check out. Link in the description. 10 modules, 100 lectures. But that's it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.